This is Final Ninja Dog and
Meerkat's Mongoose and Meerkat's Average Best of the Meerkat movies.
We're on New Super Mario Bros. We're on the final boss level of World 3. So World 3 Castle. On this level there's quite a bit of ice, which I can slide on. I'll just grab us some more coins. Oh, better not block the passageway for us. So we'll go through the pipe, and we've got some bombs on this. No, we haven't. Bombs are later. So just stand on here. And with these blocks, once you stand on them, they start moving. And there's ice falling from the sky, or the ceiling.
Massive icicles.
That you have to stand on. Oh great, lost my penguin.
Once, I haven't lost mine. I think I said that too soon.
Nice.
There you go.
I've got it back again.
Yeah,
Now with these balls, these are what the boss chuck at you. I'll just stand here and I'll get lift down. You might want to not keep running because otherwise that would have happened.
Oh, I got us a life.
You can grab it. It was on the very end of the conveyor belt.
I was never going to get it in time, but I thought I'd give it a go.
Right, this is where we have to blow up the ice with the bombs. No, you can't throw ice at them when you fire.
Not that
One, because we don't have any ice flowers or penguins, and two, because ice just freezes them. Now you can use ice to blow up this part, but you're going to need to get the bombs over here to blow up this part. Get past the checkpoint, you've got to use another bomb here. Now this is like a chain reaction. As soon as one of them goes alight, all of them do.
Well, that's if we hadn't.
Except when they bump into other bombs. Oh, just chuck over there. Now, stand clear. See? Setting them all off. Ah!
Oh, I nearly just died as well.
Now what you can do with that is you can stand where the question mark box is, and then wait. And keep on standing.
Well, no, because I saved you and I lost myself. How annoying.
Also, that same applies here. Unless you want to stand over here.
As I expertly showed. Right, let's try and get rid of these for once.
Oh.
But you killed me, so. It doesn't give you time to get them all.
Yeah, it's only a short amount of time.
I know, but you think they...
You're jumping on me.
You think Nintendo would have to give you time to actually do it?
Okay, let's get some items in here. I'll probably be able to get my penguin now.
Same.
Okay, so if we wait till both of us are up, if we can actually get up, and I'm up.
It's funny, I got up in one last time and now... Alright, here we go.
Okay, if you stand that way.
Cool.
Okay, if you want a pound. Thank you.
How rude, you just stole my item.
Well, actually it was my turn anyway. So now you can stay there with the balls.
Very rude.
Actually it's my turn.
I'm joking. I think this video a bit of entertainment for you guys. So you have something to do while we play.
Well, that's not really entertainment.
Because everyone knows the best tutorials are the funny ones.
Right. Here goes Kamek. The very annoying one. Sadly, some of the ice has to go. So that's what he's doing. Big ball, less ice, and a penguin. It's a shame I can't push him off. Now what you have to do is you have to stand on him, like all the other bosses, and then it's best if you keep on following him. Okay? So he's going to stop here. We'll jump on him again. Got to jump on him one last time. It's this side. And we did it! So the ice comes back and we grab the key. We make it to the ship.
Are we going to show them the ship cutscene?
Sorry, you can't see it properly. You only saw the key. Sorry about this, the camera's gone. Okay, so we got it again. Don't forget to like, comment, visit the channel, add and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.